Hello again. So this is G from AI for Pinoys, and today naman I would like to show uh, or do a review of one of my favorite web applications. It's called Lovable. Dahil masarap siyang mahanin. And I've been using this to create. In fact, I use this to create the AI for Pinoys website. So you can see it here. No? So ito yung AI for Pinoys na website. If you're familiar with it already, so kung nakita niyo na siya, ginamit ko po si Lovable dyan to create the front end. No? So yung front end, yung recent landing page natin. No? So ano ba yung kagandahan ng ni Lovable, no? So similar to all the vibe coding tools, it's just actually you just chat with the AI and the AI will create uh whatever you want, no, na either an application, a landing page, a website, a dashboard. And it's currently using, if I'm not mistaken, it's currently using one of the most intelligent um AI brains out there, which is Claude Opus 4.5. So yep, so so na siya. So here you can explore using Total kasi libre lang siya. So you're given 5 credits that you can use on a day-to-day basis. So pwede mo siyang try. I think when you sign up, you even get like 100 credits or 50 credits pag nag-sign up ka rin. So hindi ko lang sure kung ano yung eksakto though. But if you can explore it, so madaming projects na mga ginawa na yung mga tao. So you can actually see all the projects of other people here. You can explore resources, mga templates nila, et cetera. So madami kang options to explore kung may mga ideas ka on how you want your website to look like. So this is one tip. So magkano ba siya, no? So Lovable costs around parang similar to ChatGPT, $20 ay $25 a month nga lang siya. So malabas parang 1.5. But if you are a student and you have a student ID with a .edu.ph, you can get it half. So meaning babayaran mo ng kalahati lang doon. So which is kind of cool because kung estudyante ka, makakatipid ka talaga. No? So if you have an email address that uses a .edu or .ph, uh, tip ko na lang siguro pwede nyo ask yung anak nyo habang nag-aaral sila sa school kung yung mga email address sila pwede nyo gamitin or makatipid kayo. But again, try nyo lang. Usually they approve it naman. So, and all the details will be sent to that email nga lang, no? And then you can add your credit card details para to sign up, no? So, I'll encourage you to check it out. First, sobrang sulit siyang gamitin at sobrang ganda po niyan. So, yan. I hope you guys check it out and have a great day.